Hi everyone. So here we will going to install Rstudio and R together. So we will going to start this installation first with R. After that we will do the Rstudio. So we have an icon here. Just double click on this. Let's say S and English. Okay. And say next, next, next. Don't do anything over here. Customize and just accept as default. Okay. Next, next, next. Just wait a minute. Okay, we finished installing and just finish it. Finish. So we installed R 4.4.1. So here also we can write programs, but to execute the programs and all, so we need a RStudio. So this is R programming GUI, and we will install RStudio. One more. Now we will install RStudio. Double click on this icon. Say X. Next. Don't change any path. Just say next. Install. So you can see it started. So details also you can able to see it. It takes some time. You can say it is finished. So please open the RStudio. Open this. Double click on that. So you select the default one here. So not required. No need to worry. If you wanted to say yes, both are okay. So now you can see it's a terminal, and this is my console, and this is my RStudio. Allow it. Now here, uh, this is terminal, and this is my console. And if you want to write a program, you have to go to the new and you have to write the R script. So here you will going to write the program here. Okay, here console you will going to get it, and here you will going to say the environment variables. So right now it's empty, and let me write a small program saying hello world. Okay, let's say I will say message, and that is equal to we are bringing a string here. So let's say hello world, and this message I wanted to print it. How to print it? Very simple. Just use print function and that message variable. So just to select this one and just here save it, and here you can see just run this, select and run it. You can see here we are getting hello world. So this is how you can able to execute the programs. You must select the variable and enter this data. Okay. So this is how we're going to install the programming. Thank you. We're going to continue the series.